Welcome back, guys. So in the previous video we saw how to do select by attribute. In this video we will do select by location. So we need to come here and say select by location, and you will have this window open here. But before we start to do our selection, I want you to enable all the feature layers we have and just zoom a little bit to Orange County area. So here, for example, we want to select the freeways that intersect with Orange County right here. So let's hide the cities, and we want to only choose the freeways that intersect with Orange County. So the way to do this is coming here and say what is the layer you want to select from. So we want to select from freeways, and you can select multiple. The next thing you choose is the source layer where the condition will be applied against it. So here we want to choose the freeways that intersect, here's the condition on the bottom here, with counties. And if I click apply, you will see that all the freeways have been selected because we are actually doing the intersection against the counties. But in order to do the intersection against Orange County only, we need to select Orange County, and we check this option here, say use selected features. So now when I click apply, you will only see that only the freeways that intersect with Orange County have been selected. Let's try to do the same with Los Angeles. So I want to choose the freeways that intersect with Los Angeles. So I'm gonna select Los Angeles, and I'm gonna make sure that I have use selected features is checked and say apply. Now I have these features selected for me here. And the conditions we have here is actually a lot, so I want you to read and try every single option from them and see what this one do for you. So let's put this example. If someone come to you on this map and told you, like, I want to know which Orange County cities that have freeway crossing it. So now we know that we need to select the Orange County cities that cross with the freeways. So we are going to come to our table of content and disable selection for the counties and the cities, because we only want to select Orange County cities that intersect with the freeway. So the way to do that is by coming here, say I want to select Orange County cities only that will intersect with freeways, and we choose intersect as a condition. When you click apply, you will see that only the cities that have a freeway crossing it have been selected. All the other cities, like this one here, like all these cities, have not been selected because there's no freeways crossing it. So that's one of the ways to do select by location, is defining what layers you want to select and what is your condition. And we have so many conditions here, so I encourage you to try different conditions and see what each one of them do to you and what is the layer you need to apply the condition against. I know this might sound a little bit complicated, but it's actually not. Once you start using it a few times and you understand that you need to choose what layer you want to select, what layer you want to apply the condition against, and what is your condition. And then you click apply to get your selection. And the last thing I will show you in this video is to clear your selection, the selection methods. So here, create new selection will help you create a selection. So for example, right now I'm making a selection. If I came here and I change to remove from current selection, that means every feature I select with my rectangle will be removed from the current selection. And if I come here and I change it to select from current selection, when I select some features here, it will select from the current selection, not create a new selection. So for example, this line here is not selected. And the last option here we have is add to current selection. So if I have some features that was already selected, I can select anywhere else and it will add to this current selection. So this is the 4 different selection methods we have: create new, add to current, remove from current, and select from current. And the last thing we have here is select options. And select options is give you the ability to create some options for your selections. Like for example, what is the tolerance for the pixels? What is the color of your selection? If you selected more than this number of features, like let's say 2000 features, it's going to give you an error. So basically that is select by location. And in the next video, we will try to create a little bit complicated way of selection so we can combine select by attribute with select by location. And we are going to use the USA base map MXZ we used before. So I will see you in the next video, and hope the next video make it a little bit easier and understandable for you of how and when to use select by attribute and when to use select by location.